It's very more. Okay, class. It's a model of the solar system. Fine. What? Please, do prove it. I think it's time for a field trip. Okay, you have to prove it. I know it's so. Yeah, for a field trip to Rocket. This one. In the magic school bus. Stop the bus. You see private eye. How can going to the back of the bus? Janet, how do you travel? Oh, to the solar system. On to the finder, please. T-minus 7 seconds. Counting. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. What's this? A field trip. Welcome to our space class. Welcome to our space class. Oh, we headed out to the sun. I see sun. What? They said it. Chief Inspector. Liz, what are you doing? I see sunglasses. Wait, what is the point? No. Huh? Okay, Chief Inspector. We're headed off to Mercury. Really? That thinks so. And it's off to Styles. You can help jump. Mercury, the first planet. We know, enough already. Alright, class. Mercury. Come along, class. Follow Sing Dino. This way, please. Now you can jump higher than that. You betcha. Jump higher than that. You're off. Hell. I can. What's that? Hell. Which must the blue ribbon to prove it. So what? Proves it. What? It happens to me. What? Meteorites. Me count one. Alright. It's up to you. Hang on, Chief Inspector. My very own meteorite. I know it. Wait out. Wow. Venus. What? No. Wait, Alpha. Why? Venus. What? Cool. So. Oh, heat. Oh, goodness. If I. Oh. A destination. Looks like the rocks added to the bus. Right you are, Chief Inspector. Oh, you've made it to the moon. Mars. Cool. Yeah, wait. Huh? Alright. Sit back down now. Ice climbing, everyone? Wow. Yeah. There's a plant. This one's rock climbing today. Oh no, ice cubes. Mars ice and dust along the way. Right here. Right. Ice scream! You said, Chief Inspector? That's the last ice block. Great. Janet! My ice and dust. What? Naughty. Huh? The asteroid belt is a vertical, which divides our solar system into the inner and outer planets. Asteroids are what? So they can use. So let's find Janet without a map. Right you are, Chief Inspector. Watch out. What happened? What's going on? Don't worry, class. I can give the orbital interruption. Let's shall we? The map! It's gone. Oh, we're lost in space. Wrench. Wrench. An asteroid. Janet! This is Yoshi. I need your help. Please respond. Jupiter, the fifth planet from the Sun. Way out of control. Hang on, Yoshi. Hang on. Clarice! Calm down, Yoshi. Nothing to be afraid of. Oh, you betcha, Yoshi. That's why I call it, Chief Inspector. Jenna the bus, come in, please. The ninth planet from the sun. The colder you get, the woman is finding you. Off we go again. Saturn, the sixth planet from the sun. It's in the rock or is it the rings? Maybe you just forget. Anytime. A lot of work here, man. Well, you forgot some the rings. Wait, Liz. Don't distract it. Liz. Davy. The Saturn ring. Saturn rings. You know, Space Channel 5. I know what to do, Ernest. No. Ernest, it's blue! Okay. See? Who's anything you run? Who's hitting each other? No. You know. Lovely. To the next planet. Wait! We need proof. And we need Janet. Step on it, Liz. Hey, watch it. Neptune! My eighth planet from the sun. Neptune. Looks like it's just cool as usual. And it's blue. Blue! My favorite color! Just Go, Liz! Now where we go? Should we on Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, or Neptune? That means there's only one planet left. Right you are, Chief Inspector. Which one? I'll tell you after Janet gets off. Wow. Oh. Right. This one. The ninth planet from the sun, Pluto. Ninth planet from the sun, Pluto. To Pluto. There's only one expected to me. There you are. Yay! You found Janet. The colder you got, the warmer finding get him. I've got a name, but it rocks and dust normal way. Huh? What are you waiting for? Come on. Alright, be nice today. There's no other way to explain. Huh. It's proof nobody live without it. And one. Clarice, you need proof. I'll give you proof. Here's my house. My stuff. Janet, no. No! Oh, cuz. Back to Anchorage. And Stefan. Shoo. Thanks, Clarice. Janet? What's that? My cousin Janet is over here. Oh, that's really think so, Janet. You said it, Janet. Transfer Mario. We're out of this world.